There are YouTube channels right now with no host, no camera, and zero complex editing pulling in $3,000 a month. They run on pure automation. The formula they use is visible, but hidden in plain sight. Replicating that success is now a matter of using the right tools to extract and automate the process. Today, we're going to build a finished video asset, complete with a structured script, voiceover, and visuals, using a pipeline of entirely free AI tools. Successful channel growth depends on a reliable automation system. The barrier to entry has shifted from technical production skills to the ability to manage these digital workflows. To build this pipeline, you'll need a specific toolkit: the Chrome browser, a Google account, and Canva for your final packaging. The first bottleneck is manual research. Instead of spending hours analyzing competitors, search the Chrome store for an extension called Grab-It. Once installed, open the settings and add a new action. Set the mouse button to left-click and the modifier to Alt. The action type must be set to copy URLs to clipboard. Ensure you do not change the default box color. Keeping this setting as is ensures the extension provides the correct visual feedback when you're selecting data. Now, go to a competitor's video tab. Hold Alt, left-click, and drag your cursor over 15 top-performing uploads to copy the links simultaneously. This turns tedious data entry into a 3-second capture. You have the raw material for AI analysis. To processing these links, we'll use Google NotebookLM. This tool acts as the brain of your operation, identifying the patterns within the data you've collected. Start by creating a new notebook. Give it a clear name based on your niche, like Personal Finance Clone, to keep your research organized. Inside the notebook, click Add Source and select Website. Paste your entire clipboard of links directly into the source box. We need to extract the structure. Prompt the AI to analyze these links and document who the target audience is, what topics appear most frequently, and how the scripts are paced. Within seconds, the AI organizes chaotic links into a content breakdown. It identifies the recurring hooks and topic tillers driving millions of views. Now, run a second prompt. Instruct NotebookLM to generate 10 original video ideas fitting the exact content patterns identified. These ideas are probabilistic matches for your niche. They are grounded in the specific topics and emotional hooks that the data shows your audience is already watching. Keep this notebook purely as your master niche template. Mixing other project files here will confuse the AI's understanding of the original channel's formula. By leveraging this analysis, you have bypassed months of testing. You now have a proven content strategy in under 2 minutes. To start production, select one video idea from your list and copy the title and description. Create a new, separate notebook dedicated solely to this single video. This keeps the AI focused on producing high-quality content for one topic at a time. Return to your master notebook and command the AI to write a full-length script for your chosen idea. Tell it to utilize the specific structural pacing it found in your competitor analysis. Copy the completed script and add it as a new source in your video-specific notebook. Open the Studio feature. To match the educational style of successful faceless channels, select the Explainer format and the Whiteboard visual style. When you hit Generate, you are producing the structural foundation of your video. The system synthesizes the script and voiceover components that usually take up the majority of a creator's time. The final step is packaging. No matter how good the AI content is, the YouTube algorithm only promotes videos that people actually click. In Canva, search for stick figure elements. These match the visual language of the whiteboard style and maintain a clean, recognizable aesthetic. We use a high-contrast hook by placing a bold red rectangle in the background, creating a visual stop sign for scrolling viewers. Add your text in the Poppins font, using pure white for maximum legibility. Limit yourself to 6 words, ensuring instant processing. Visual simplicity and extreme color contrast are the primary levers here. They grab attention and force the audience to focus on your core promise. You now have your 3 core assets: the generated video foundation, the optimized script, and a high-contrast thumbnail. A traditional workflow for this much content would take weeks of manual work. By using this pipeline, you've compressed that labor into a single session. The creators seeing the most growth today are the ones directing these automated systems. They focus on managing the pipeline rather than grinding through the individual tasks. Use this blueprint to batch produce your first 5 videos this week. For more AI-driven workflows like this,